Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning Gmail AI on and giving it the minimal permissions it needs to act. Open Settings, find the AI or Smart Compose controls, and enable the feature. This lets suggestions and drafts appear inline. Once enabled, set your default tone and language so outputs match your voice. Make sure data sharing and contact access are configured to avoid privacy surprises. Start with a short test email to confirm the model can read context and suggest. Now you'll use Gmail AI to draft and refine messages. Begin a subject line and give a concise prompt in the body. List 3 key points or pick a tone like professional or casual. The AI builds on that. As suggestions appear, accept, expand, or ask for a shorter version, you can highlight text and request rephrasing for clarity. Make sure placeholders, names, dates, dollar amounts are accurate before sending, because the tool uses your text to craft context-sensitive lines. Finish by reviewing the draft for facts, tone, and any sensitive details. You always control the send button. Use templates and canned responses the AI can customize and schedule sends when timing matters. For automation, pair Gmail AI with filters and canned responses for repeat workflows. If the AI stops suggesting or shows errors, try clearing browser cache, reauthorizing permissions, or toggling the AI feature off and on. That resolves most hiccups. Contact support if issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.